It's an unusual train because I ain't seen one like this, I'll be honest. Because this is like the diesel engine and it's split into two. Like, maybe this is common in some places, but it ain't common for me. I don't know, I think that's unusual. Because why would you? Because you can't travel in this. It's just an engine. It's just unusual. The coaches look a lot more modern than the cabin. But this train looks old. The front looks just like the other one, I'll be real. But it's wicked. Something that is also quite unusual is there's only one door per carriage, which getting on's a bit annoying. And in the state of an emergency, surely that's not practical. Like, look, all the way from here, all the way down to there, there's no door, just one. I guess extra space. I guess that's an extra 6 or 8 seats. I don't know what the second class is saying though, because she said upper. I don't know what that means, but I want something nice. This room is tiny, fam. There's like 4 of us in here. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't know how it works. That's a bed. I'm up here, but it's a bit tight still.
Thank you.
Ты же учил. Маглобат. Пойти.
Don't like it. If you don't like it, go work back. You don't like it. No, put, don't worry. Okay, if you don't like it, it's okay. If you don't like it, just search.
Кислое?
Мне не очень нравится.
Ну давай мне. А ты попробовал ее?
Ну, я сладко ел.
Очень вкусная.
Literally took hours. We're finally gonna go, I hope. Hours is 12:30 and we're still at the border. Get the bus. It's not this bad. Yeah, so finally here in Tbilisi. Oh my days, that was long. It's 12 hours. The train is 2 hours and 13 minutes late. My hotel should be right here, which I booked deliberately because I didn't want no stress, no problems. So let's hope someone's there because I told them I'll be here at 12. But yeah, we're kind of here, kind of long. But we're back in Georgia. Come on, finally. You know, I've been saying this whole trip, I've been counting down the planes. Now I'm counting down trains and transport. Like this, I love this part of the world, but my God, the transport here is long. But anyway, back in Georgia. So just by the station, there's a nice little market. You see, like literally old things just strolling across the track and whatnot. I'm gonna do that as well, fam. Don't know where my girls come from, but I wanna know. She come from somewhere. Look, they're all just strolling around. Funny, because where the station is, it's all like super serious. Like if you're on the platform, like, oh my god, what can this guy possibly be doing on the platform? But like the platform ends there, and then everyone's just strolling around like it's happy days. I don't speak Georgian, so I actually don't know what that means, but we're strolling. That's the bridge I was talking about. Some trains. Excuse me. Oh mate, I might be able to get another train running over the camera if I'm lucky. Come on. So this is like I don't know what this area is, I'll be honest. There was just like, I see a load of old ladies. Oh, is that train leaving? I wanted to get a video of that. Anyway, this was it. This was the area. There's not too much. I don't know, people just seem to sort of, I don't know where it leads, but it seems to be sort of a shortcut that people take casually. So I'm not sure if you can see from me, but those signs say protected area, no entry. So that's where the end is. So you can kind of stroll around everywhere else, but not past there.